Hi friends, it's me, Emily McKenna. Welcome to my YouTube channel where all things makeup come to life. I'm beyond excited to have you here joining me on this magical journey of colors, brushes, and endless creativity. So grab your favorite product and let's start the video. So today guys, naanza na eyebrows tena kwa wenye hawakuweza kushika on my first video. So today I'm repeating the same process, then we get to the eyeshadow. So guys, we are going to start with the eyebrows. And remember guys, I told you before you draw your eyebrows, make sure hapa kwa eyebrow yako haiko so oily. Juu kama unatumia especially eye pencil, make sure this area is so dry so that you can be able to draw. Okay, mimi natumia this powder wakati naanza kuchora my eyebrows. So guys, you should start with you apply your powder. Make sure the surface is so dry. As for me, I use the black eye pencil when outlining my eyebrows. Hii ni wakati una outline tu, unaweza tumia especially for those that are chocolate and dark skin. You can outline with a black eye pencil first before using the brown eye pencil. Don't forget guys, ukifika hapa kwa hack, unaanza na hapa kwa haki yako juu. And guys, usijali vile uta outline kwanza eyebrows zako. Hata inaweza tokea vibaya, but the secret iko kwa when you are concealing your eyebrows guys. So let's continue. Already outlined using my black eye pencil. Now I'm going to shade inside using the brown eye pencil number 3. Huku mbele si shade sana. Hapa mbele ndio ikwe more of natural. While concealing your eyebrows, you have to use the slanted brush. You see guys, hiyo kenye kako slanted kabisa ndio iweze ku outline your eyebrows vizuri. Remember guys to use a lighter concealer. For me napenda kutumia sana foundation rather than concealer. So natumia foundation light ambayo ni ya Maybelline foundation, the lighter shade. You use the lighter shade to conceal hapa chini. You clean the area nicely, you blend in kabisa. You do the same on the other eyebrows. You see guys, I'm done with concealing my 2 eyebrows. And remember, I don't know where I placed my brush, so today I just used this one. You brush hapa mbele ndio ikae more natural, not exaggerated eyebrows. No. You see guys, now I'm done with my eyebrows. Let's go to the eyeshadow.